So we have the skeleton SVG, so those are all movable and everything. The idea is that SVG meant to be transparent, so I don't know what's currently it is not transparent. Yeah, this skeleton trying to overlay over a filter like that, so you can see hands and things and move around. So essentially creating an avatar. Yeah, everything is available on BioniChaos.com. Go check it out. Doing this emergent behavior, basic rules turned into life. So it's like similar to Game of Life, but better. Check it out as well. Yeah, so there's some tools that are unlisted. Yeah, that need more work. That's the reason they're being unlisted. Cutting off a hernia. You want to be a surgeon? Do you need to be a surgeon to cut off a hernia? I'm not sure. I don't think so. Scalpel. Boom. Forceps. Boom, boom. Hernia successfully reduced. Mesh. Put mesh. Sutures. Well, I guess if it's required suturing, it's probably a surgery, isn't it? Incision clause. Operation successful. Okay, obviously a very basic future direction. More complex procedures simulating different types of hernias. Femoral, umbilical, different surgical techniques. That could be interesting. Anatomy layers, adding distinct layers, skin, fat, fascia. For more realistic dissection. Yeah, the dissection currently looks super basic. How easy is that? Super easy. So we have the X-Ray Simulator. Wait, actually, we did something working already. Ah, yeah, well, it doesn't. Well, that's why the page is unlisted. Shall we bring an AI agent to talk to? Ask it a bunch of questions. Gait simulation. Ah, yeah, the gait simulation is still unlisted as well. Yeah. I don't know why. It can't get those SVGs correct. Step. It's meant to be. Oh, there's sound playing as well. Why can I hear the sound if the sound is not enabled? Step. Okay, that doesn't work, does it? There's a bug. Step. We had another version of it. There's a Gait Sim 2.0. Yeah, this one you can control the mouse and everything. Keyboard control. You have mouse panning. Is meant to be. Oops, zoom in, zoom out. I don't know how that works. It should be explanation at the bottom of the page. I can't actually see it. They're controls, so that's what we're actually interested in. Stride length, walk speed, knee lift. So you can walk around, do more knee lifting. Well, that's very mild. Very mild knee lifting there. Walk speed. It's not actually walking fast, it's just moving fast, but stride length. Yeah, okay, so what happens? Stride length and walking fast? It's not actually. It's just moving. It's just moving its legs, but it's like walking mid-air as well. So surely that can be fixed. I mean, you can go try it out, all these things, but yeah, currently it's unlisted URLs. I'll just put them in the chat. Go check them out. Let me know, how would you make them better? How would you make it better? It's meant to be jumping over that obstacle. Yeah. Can you describe what the bug is? So let's bring a model actually to something useful. Because currently with all these things loaded, my GPU. The GPU is now. Yeah, because I moved to another tab. So it's okay. I forgot what that is. Yeah, someone. Yeah, so obviously lots of videos released every hour. There's hundreds of hours of videos on YouTube or something. But we have this Interactive Brain EEG Simulation. It's a bad name for it because it's actually focusing on PCA, ICA, and it's not doing a great job at it. We already did quite a few videos on it. Pop. the link in the chat as well. Yeah, it's kind of working. It's useful. I guess you can select your different presets. You can do manual electrode placement. Interestingly, I'm not sure if it meant to do it or not. I guess that's the type of ICA, so independent component analysis. It's actually breaking it into delta, theta, alpha, beta, gamma. But I'm not sure that's we're meant to do like a source localization. Yeah, this one is very simplistic at the moment. Oh, the audio is horrible. The audio is horrible. Okay, so would we have a human to chat to, or shall we chat to a robot? What do you prefer? Okay, which model? Which model? The Gemini 2.5 Pro is like super expensive. Oh, it's 200,000 tokens, like $15. Yeah. Which models are just good for... Hey, can you search for models, AI models, voice models that I can share my screen with? Gemini 2.5. Can you give me a conversational summary talk like, I don't know, like a 22-year-old data scientist slash comedian?
All right, bet. So you want to know about AIs that can, like, look at your screen with you? It's less Her, the movie, and more like having a super smart, slightly creepy, but genuinely helpful ghost looking over your shoulder. Let me break it down. Basically, you're not just looking for a voice model. That's like wanting a car but only asking for the horn. What you're actually after is a multimodal AI. Big words, I know, my data science side is showing.
Okay.
It just means that AI isn't only using its ears, voice.
Can you make it much shorter, less lame, and cut out all the fluff? In AI Studio, you can actually have it's hidden somewhere. There's a text-to-speech, a TTS model. Oh, in generate media, speech generation, so you can do multiple speakers. Can you actually turn it into a conversation between a data scientist and a stand-up comedian about the topic we discussed above? It's like speaker 2, speaker 1, speaker 2. You can select your voices on those names. I don't know who came up with these voices names. They're crazy. Okay, we have Anya Sharma, a data scientist, precise and pragmatic, and Leo Vance, a stand-up comedian, looks for the absurdity in everything. The Ghost in the Machine. It's like a podcast transcript. It's already generating. The interface is a bit weird. Yeah, we selected speaker 1, speaker 2. Do we need the names? No speakers selected. Please ensure your script speakers names also set in the right bar. Okay. So we need Anya will be Anya, and Leo with the second one. And select 2 voices. Okay, how does it work? Run prompt, and then it's running for it's like a advanced version of Notebook LM, and it's actually using Gemini 2.5 Pro preview TTS. The text is already created. The script for the 2 speakers was already created. It will take forever. There's like chuckles and everything in it. I can show you the screen. That's what it looks like. Gemini 2.5 Pro preview text-to-speech. You can just pop your conversation. Data scientist and stand-up comedian talking about microphones sit between them. It's actually... okay, I got it now. It's actually doing a video of it.
Okay, so I have a question. My laptop, right? It has a camera. It has a microphone. Is it, watching me? Like if I have a terrible, god-awful spreadsheet open, is there some little AI in there going, wow, he really doesn't know how to use pivot tables?
Not in the way you're thinking. It's not sentient and it's not judging your Excel skills. But the technology you're describing, an AI that can see your screen and interact with you about it, is very real. It's called multimodal AI.
Multimodal? Sounds like a traffic
Multimodal?
plan for a very confusing intersection.
Close. It just means the AI processes multiple modes of information.
Yeah, that's that. That's Anya and Leo, but using these voices. I can't even pronounce the voices. Erinom and Russell Getty. Okay, didn't answer the question though, but that's okay. We're actually looking for a voice model which I can share my screen with. Well, because the one in AI Studio wasn't working well. And that's using Flash, so 2.5 Flash. I guess it should be much faster. Yeah, there's a thinking model as well. But do we want it to think for forever? Probably not. Let's give it 66 tokens per image. Let Gemini adapt its response style to the input expression and tone. Okay. Turn coverage turned off. Let's actually try it out. See if it's working. If the AI gods are will be kind to us today or not. We'll just share the entire screen with it. They really have to fix this stuff. Yeah, that model isn't working. I know it's not a problem in my machine because the thinking model is not working. Something with the screen sharing, isn't it? Hey, can you see what's on the screen?
Yes, I can see the screen. It's showing the BioniChaos website. There's an audio overview that's 10 minutes and 3 seconds long, and below that are links to different simulations and viewers, such as the quantum wave function simulation, Hodgkin-Huxley action potential simulation, and HRF image database viewer.
Can you see this drop-down list and just read out the drop-down list? Can you do that?
Yes, I can. The drop-down list includes all tools, featured tools, neurological, EEG and neuro tools, cardiovascular, heart, ECG and PPG, biomedical imaging, vision, hearing, electromyography, EMG, mental health, simulations and modeling, games, data analysis, artificial intelligence, education, and signal processing.
What I know you are AI and you don't have preferences, but if you had to choose, which area would you find more interesting?
As an AI, I don't have personal preferences or interests. Therefore, I can't choose one area over another.
If you had to choose one, which one you would go for?
Again, as an AI, I don't have preferences. I am designed to process information and assist with tasks based on the data I have been trained on.
Just randomly choose one then.
If I were to randomly select one from the list, I would choose electromyography, EMG.
Why did you select that one?
I did not actually select it. I simply stated that if I were to randomly choose, that would be my choice. Since I'm an AI, I do not have the capability to interact with the web page.
Okay, I can interact with the web page. Can you tell me why would someone choose EMG, would be interested in EMG as opposed to other areas of research?
Someone might be interested in electromyography, EMG, if they are studying muscle activity, nerve function, or neuromuscular disorders. It's a field relevant to medical diagnostics, rehabilitation, and sports science, among others.
Okay, so out of these tools, can you summarize these tools real quick and select one as if you were a biomedical data science engineering student?
Certainly. The Interactive Spectrogram Generator is for generating and visualizing spectrograms of various biomedical signals. Myoscope is an interactive tool for visualizing and analyzing EMG signals, useful for exploring muscle activity and signal processing. MyoMock is an interactive simulator for exploring EMG signals and learning about muscle activity and signal processing. Lastly, the EMG hand simulation tool helps explore how muscle activity generates EMG signals with an interactive hand simulation.
So which one would you choose?
If I were a biomedical data science engineering student, I would find the EMG hand simulation tool most beneficial. It offers a practical and interactive way to understand how muscle activity generates EMG signals and how these relate to hand movements, which is a core concept in biomedical engineering and neuroscience.
What do you currently see on the screen?